A plant-based diet's building strength without meat. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards plant-based diets, as people recognize the numerous benefits they offer. Plant-based diets have been proven to enhance overall health and longevity, contributing to a decreased risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. However, some skeptics argue that these diets may lack the necessary nutrients to build strength, dismissing them as inadequate for athletes or those seeking to build muscle. So let's debunk this myth by explaining how plant-based diets can indeed build strength without the need for meat. Firstly, plant-based diets provide an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals necessary for muscle growth. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu are excellent plant-based sources of protein, iron, and zinc. Protein in particular is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Contrary to popular belief, plant-based proteins are just as effective as animal-based ones. Moreover, plant-based proteins are often accompanied by high fiber content, which aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, further facilitating muscle development. Secondly, plant-based diets can fuel intense workouts, providing sufficient energy for athletes. Complex carbohydrates found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains release energy slowly and steadily, keeping individuals energized throughout their workout sessions. Additionally, these carbohydrates are rich in fiber, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and preventing fatigue or crashes during exercise. The existence of many successful plant-based athletes, including bodybuilders and professional athletes, is a testament to the adequacy of plant-based diets in promoting strength and endurance. Furthermore, plant-based diets are naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, known culprits of heart disease. By eliminating or reducing the consumption of animal products, individuals can increase their intake of heart-healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats provide the necessary fuel for workouts while reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, ultimately supporting muscle strength. Additionally, plant-based diets often have a high antioxidant content, reducing inflammation and aiding muscle recovery after intense training sessions. Moreover, plant-based diets promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. A balanced gut flora is essential for optimal nutrient absorption, weight management, and immune function. Plant-based diets, rich in fiber and prebiotic foods like bananas, onions, and garlic, feed the good bacteria in our intestines, leading to a healthier gut. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for building strength, as it ensures efficient utilization of nutrients from plant-based diets to support muscle growth. In addition to these physiological benefits, plant-based diets can also provide psychological boosts. By adopting a plant-based lifestyle, individuals often experience higher levels of energy, improved mood, and decreased stress levels. These factors contribute to a more optimistic mindset and can increase motivation and determination in workout routines, enabling individuals to push themselves further and ultimately build more strength. Lastly, choosing a plant-based diet promotes ethical and sustainable practices. As the world grapples with environmental concerns, reducing meat consumption is an ethical obligation. Animal agriculture contributes to deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. By minimizing the reliance on meat, individuals can contribute to improved environmental conditions, allowing future generations to thrive on a healthier planet. In conclusion, the notion that plant-based diets lack the ability to build strength without meat is a misconception. Plant-based diets offer an array of essential nutrients, moderate energy release, healthy fats, and gut health improvement, all of which facilitate muscle growth. By incorporating a variety of plant-based foods into our diets, we can tap into numerous benefits, not just for our bodies, but also for our overall well-being and the environment. Thanks for watching.